Next question is, what is the popping noise associated with the adjustment? This is a great question because there's also a lot of misinformation out there about this. So a lot of people know that chiropractors work on joints. And so people kind of a lot of times think that the noise that they hear are bones crashing into each other, and nothing could be further from the truth. So in understanding this, let's just talk a real smidge, a brief moment about physiology. So we've all experienced that if you've used your muscles to a high degree, like in a workout, that your body can build up a waste product, and that waste product is called lactic acid, and that acid on the muscles is painful. That's where the burn comes from. Well, when you have an overused or abused joint, instead of building lactic acid, what your body does is create, or what the joint does is create another kind of waste product that is a gas. It's carbon dioxide and nitrogen gas. And your joints have a little balloon around it. It's called the joint capsule. And so when that joint capsule has more gas in it, the joint capsule expands, putting more pressure on the joint, and the joint doesn't want to move as much. So then the muscles kind of lock down and try to pull. Finally, they kind of seize up, and everything kind of gels that way. So when we do an adjustment, we help to release the gas through that membrane, and as it rapidly releases through the joint capsule, or that balloon, you hear a little pop. It's just kind of like when you pull your finger, and the joints are actually moving away from each other, but the joint capsule increases pressure, the gas seeps out, and you'll still hear a noise, even if you're pulling the fingers away from each other. So what is the popping noise associated with an adjustment? It's actually gas in your joint, releasing the joint and then being swept out through the bloodstream. Hope that helps. We'll see you on the next video. Take care.